When it comes to custom motorcycles, few workshops stand out as much as Mandrill Garage in Beijing, China. Known for creating some of the most unique, jaw-dropping modifications, Mandrill Garage is the brainchild of Luo Hao, and their latest build is nothing short of spectacular. Taking a standard Triumph Bonneville T100 from 2014, the team at Mandrill transformed it into a beastly street tracker that's unlike anything you've ever seen before. The journey began with the removal of almost everything that came from the factory. The Triumph Bonneville was stripped down, leaving only the fuel tank as a remnant of the original design. The stock wheels, suspension, brakes, and bodywork were all tossed aside, making room for an entirely new setup that would give this bike a completely fresh identity. At the rear of the bike, Mandrill Garage put in some serious work to bring their vision to life. A custom subframe was crafted using a combination of lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum, resulting in a rear-end structure that is unlike anything you'll find on a production motorcycle. But this wasn't just about aesthetics. The rear suspension setup also received a major upgrade. Mandrill chose to use a monoshock from Gears Racing, a high-performance shock absorber designed to give the bike better handling and stability. To complete the transformation, the shock connects to a repurposed Ducati 1098 swing arm, making for a rear section that's as functional as it is eye-catching. But the rear-end work was just the beginning. Mandrill didn't stop there. The team also swapped out the Triumph stock wheels for Y-spoked wheels from the Ducati 1098, making a statement in both style and performance. These wheels are complemented by premium Brembo brakes, a clear nod to the quality and precision that Mandrill demands in their builds. The front suspension also got a major overhaul, with the addition of upside-down Showa forks, further improving the bike's handling and making sure it's equipped to handle whatever the road has to throw at it. The forks were installed with bespoke billet aluminum triple clamps, giving the bike a unique and sharp look while ensuring it's as functional as it is stylish. The tire choice for this custom street tracker is equally impressive. Pirelli Diablo Supercorsa rubber is used to keep the bike firmly glued to the asphalt, providing top-tier grip and traction. When you're building a motorcycle like this, nothing but the best will do. And Mandrill Garage didn't cut any corners when it came to performance. Moving to the bodywork, the stock fuel tank was stripped of its knee pads, giving it a cleaner, more streamlined appearance. The tank was topped off with a fresh CNC-machined filler cap, adding a touch of precision to the build. Carbon fiber side panels flank the tank, further enhancing the bike's aggressive look, while yellow-tinted LED fog lamps are discreetly mounted behind them, giving the bike an even more menacing presence on the road. At the front, a custom fairing adds to the street tracker aesthetic. Designed to resemble a tracker number board, this fairing houses a stunning LED headlight, which is both functional and striking in its design. Inside the cockpit, the bike sports digital Moto Gadget instrumentation, a high-tech addition to an otherwise retro-inspired build. The Easton handlebar is paired with Brembo master cylinders for optimal control, and the ergonomic side of the bike is completed with billet rear sets that ensure both comfort and performance. The engine of this custom Triumph Bonneville is just as impressive as the rest of the build. Mandrill Garage outfitted the bike with high-performance Can-N pod filters and a custom titanium exhaust system, designed to enhance both the sound and performance of the bike. The result is a parallel twin engine that's ready to deliver a thrilling riding experience, whether you're on the track or tearing up the streets. Finally, the color scheme on this street tracker is nothing short of stunning. The black base color is complemented by gold detailing, giving the bike a sleek and modern look that's both understated and bold at the same time. Exposed carbon fiber accents add to the premium feel of the build, making this one of the most beautifully executed custom bikes Mandrill Garage has ever produced. If you're a fan of custom motorcycles, the Mandrill Garage Triumph Bonneville T100 Street Tracker is a must-see. With its aggressive design, premium components, and flawless execution, it's a one-of-a-kind build that will leave you in awe